Hi class, this is just the weekly recap and upcoming week kind of video summarizing things. It won't be too long, just a couple minutes. So last week we did an intro to resumes and you turned in your SMART goals and job analysis paper. Y'all did a fantastic job on that. I was really pleased with the work. If you guys did that at the last minute, I couldn't tell. So just really great work. I was really happy with how that turned out. So now we're into week 3. Today through the 26th, we're definitely all out focusing on enhancing our resumes now. It's my hope that you all have resumes so that you're using this week to streamline that and really polish it and get it in good shape for either internships or jobs post-graduation. You do have the discussion board, as you can see later this week, and a response. I posted your slides for week 3 for resumes, kind of getting more into, I know we covered a little bit last week, but getting more into really the fine tuning, especially of those accomplishment statements. If you have questions on accomplishment statements, do let me know, reach out, because they can be complicated and I guess kind of daunting. But remember just the core of action verb plus result, and then toss in a, excuse me, where you could quantify it, or a transferable skill that you used as well, and it just kind of beefs things up. And for our materials this week, all I had was the PowerPoint, because last week in the materials I put so much more for resume help. So go back to that file from week 2 if you need, and keep in mind that your final resume is due 1/29, and another professional has to review that, edit it, and then you can see in the syllabus where I explained how you need to submit this assignment. Okay, so it's going to be one PDF packet. I'm just reminding you, this is all in the syllabus. The top document, first page, is your final copy that you want me to grade. The second page is the page that your mentor or professional marked up. And the third page, the bottom one, is your resume that you printed off and gave to a copy of what you would have given to the professional not marked up. So I want to see newest, marked up, original before it was marked up. So hopefully you saved those from reading those instructions. But if you don't have all that content, let's say that you didn't save, so you don't have the original and you just have the first 2 pages, include those. If you didn't get this revised so by a professional, but you have your final copy and your original, submit those. At least submit something, so you might be able to get some partial credit on the assignment, okay? So this week is all about getting that resume done. And just as a heads up, we're going into week 4. Next week, our first executive in residence, I will update this, is going to be Jessica Lasewski from eHemp. So if you are local and you're not going to do your own informational interviews on the side, feel free to drop in on that. And then the following week, week 5, and I will update who's coming in these once I know, is Warren Perry from Prestige. So even if you don't have a massive interest maybe in eHemp, that's an e-commerce and marketing field that Jessica's here to represent. So if you have any interest in marketing or sales online, you might want to come to that as one of your required informational interviews. I'm going to wrap things up for the week. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, don't forget your discussion board. I should have done this earlier. I said I'm wrapping up. So share your resume. Where are you struggling? Where you need guidance? And then you're going to edit a colleague's resume. Okay? Let me know if you have questions, and have a great week 3.